we not do a thing this morning, though. All right,
This is the fun stuff. Hey.
It's all about communicating, so we should be good at this, right, Debs? Because we've got communication down to a
Think so.
science. Aim. No, she never took our medication today at all. The aim, right, is for one of us to guess what the items are in the bag that the other one has. But the trick is, our backs are turned, and we cannot call. When you say we can't call the name, oh, we have to be descriptive.
Yes.
All right, so take up your
use our adjectives.
Take up your bag. Turn
This
your
look
bag.
like somebody went to the wholesale. All right.
You just can't.
I'm sorry. Okay, Lolo said, what's remember how she stood up? Right, like this? Like this, Lo?
You feel like Charlie's Angel. All right, you first.
Okay, all right, me first. All right, Simone, this thing was put on your bag for now.
Put on my bag?
Yeah, put on your
look in my
put on
bag.
your wholesale bag. And let us. Okay, all right,
Ready.
don't look in my bag. Ready?
I'm not looking.
Okay, all right. This particular substance became
Call the police.
very important. Stop looking now.
Oh, sorry.
Look straight ahead.
I have to
Became
shut my
very
eye.
important during the COVID-19 period, right?
That's true.
In fact,
Is that Marks?
huh?
Is it a Marks?
Is that what?
It's a Marks, it's not a
Thank
Marks.
you very much. Tell her exactly. No, it has a smell, a lingering smell, but just know that after you get it on your hand or wherever, it becomes very clean.
It's an alcohol.
It's an alcohol.
It's
Yeah.
an alcohol.
Okay, I should go again? Okay, oh. Okay, all right. This thing actually keeps papers together when you use
a paper clip or a stapler.
Stapler, yeah. All right. You use it when cleaning your not yours, but a baby's bum bum.
Is that wet wipes?
Yes.
I told you. What?
Sorry, it slipped out. Sorry. Okay.
What? Mine?
Okay, all right, sorry.
you
All right.
want me, Debbie?
So when you actually do any monetary transaction, you are supposed to get another piece of paper. What is the piece of paper that you get when you do the monetary transaction?
Receipt?
Receipt. There you go.
Not
All
bad,
right.
Debbie. It's not bad at
Going
all.
on. All right. So this now, you have it in your hand. When you onset, oftentimes with a bunch of paper, you need this to keep everything in place. And you hold
Like
it
a
in your
paper folder,
Yeah.
a file jacket?
No, not a jacket. It has a hard base. So
It's that thing that you put the paper on and clip paper.
Okay.
It's that.
All right. It's a
That we carry on our
clipboard.
shoes.
It's a clipboard.
Yeah,
okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Great. All right. This thing holds a lot of files, and the storage. It often depends on the storage for how many things it can actually
drive or a disk
hold.
or a...
It's bigger than that. It's metallic. It's heavy. You plug it into the computer.
A hard drive.
Yes. Okay, good. All right. You go school and you go big school. All right. This holds your glasses, your sunglasses, your test glasses, your
That's
any
a glasses
glasses.
case.
Okay, there we go. All right. Am I giving it away? It is
No,
a glasses case, Lou. Okay, sorry, it's true. For real. Sorry. All right.
You said
fine.
glasses, so...
All right, fine. Okay, fine. All right. I have in my hand. It makes a lot of noise. It saves us sometimes when we're on the brink of dying from hunger.
That is some biscuits,
And,
sweetie, cheese chips, banana chips, gas, crackers. Gotta be our crackers. Want a crackers?
No, people have the
Mint, sweetie.
No, fruit and
Ginger.
nuts.
Oh,
Sorry.
then me would I know.
I don't know. All right. Anyways, is it her turn? Is it my turn now?
No.
One more. Okay. All right. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. Okay. Good. Him. Right. So remember I was telling you about the thingamajiggy earlier on that you used to keep yourself clean, right? The baby's bottom clean. So you have the adult version that is less wet. It's used to dry up things.
And napkin?
And
Bruh.
I'm just saying it used to clean up stuff. It's used to absorb liquid and solid.
It's like hand towel?
and
Is it hand
other
towel?
things.
Tissue?
Yes, tissue is correct. That's it. Thank you so much. Next. I did good though. You should be very happy. I gave you all the best clues. Do
I
not
have no wet wipes in my purse. Although you should, because
You
they're
should
very
have
heavy.
wet wipes in the
So
purse.
where you going? You not come back?
Oh,
Back at me.
okay. All right, cool.
Fetch into my bag.
All right, ready?
No, that's
Okay.
what we're supposed to do now.
I don't know. Switch side. She said switch. She said switch.
What difference?
All right, ready again. Simma, your clue them better be good enough, Sims.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh God.
Mortal Kombat. When you have gas, what do you use on bus it in
Tea.
Jamaica? Okay. We have a cake called this, but we also use it to shred like cheese and nutmeg.
Grater.
All right.
All right.
Oh my God. So this is a what now? Use this to bake? No? I don't know how to describe this. This is a kitchen implement that you
A spatula.
use to. Is it though? Is it? Yes,
I don't know.
Yes. You're correct.
Ah!
All right.
Okay, good. Next.
This is a type of snack. You just showed me in the other one that you were talking to me about in the purple bag that you
Right.
had.
Okay,
But it's
cashew.
not. No, another one.
Peanuts.
And they make milk out of it too.
Almonds.
Good job.
Yay!
All right. When you're busting gas, you bust
I can't
gas.
see a screen, but I have intelligence.
When you're
Prince.
busting the gas, what you put the thing that you're busting the gas in to drink out of it?
Crackers,
What you-
mug,
Yeah.
teacup.
Yeah.
Right, exactly.
Baby says she put it in a crackers. Okay. And
Put
then
the crackers in it to bust the gas, right?
when you have coal and you go
Right.
to the pharmacy, you say, "Hi, can I have a shot of this particular thing that
You have
helps
coal?
us?" Citrus often is a good source of it.
Him.
Yes.
Vitamin C.
Good job.
Okay,
Then.
cool.
And then
well, I was
now,
gonna say Vicks, but that's all right. Cool.
What's in your cup this morning?
Stays in my cup.
What is
Coffee.
it? Yeah.
All right.
Lord of mercy. I don't know what to do with this.
What is that? Feel it, touch it, smell it.
All right. This morning we were talking about greenery, right?
Yes.
Greenery on the floor is what?
Grass.
Yeah. And then this is also another type of bus gas one.
Fever grass.
Yeah, not another one. And it's very sour. It's not lime, but
Cersei.
it's what? If it's not lime, but it's a sour version of lime.
The sour version of lime.
Yeah, bigger and sourer.
Lemon.
Yeah, so put the two of them together.
Lemongrass.
Yeah, nice like rice. So that may I tell you.
Intelligence.
All right.
Thank you,
So look here. This is a very fishy food.
Ha!
The smell is
Fishy
very
food.
high, but it's nice when you cook it up with some Scotch bonnet pepper and some onion.
Starfish.
No, it come in a can.
Mackerel.
Brunswick makes it.
Tuna.
Grace makes it. Another one. Another one. And
What?
some people eat it with the bones in it. Some people chop the bones. Some people don't want the bones in there.
The one you evade me. This one is
Cannot
evading me
evade
properly.
you. It's true.
Seriously.
You don't know good food.
I do know good food. It's not
You can
tuna.
eat
It's
it
not
with bread.
saltfish.
You can eat it with crackers.
Sardine.
Yes, a good girl, you know.
Louise. Thank
Good
you very
girl,
much.
and when girl
Yes,
good, them
but
great.
where did I come from?
When
Next.
you're baking,
Okay.
you put your items into this to make sure it measures.
It's a measuring cup
He's a
or measuring
good girl.
spoon. Thank you
and
very
then
much.
when you go to Popeyes and KFC, they give you a plastic
measuring
one of
thing.
these in there to eat
Is
your food
Uno
with it.
a fork?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Because you don't use your hand.
No, we don't use hand.
And the opposite of a fork is a what?
Huh?
The opposite of a fork
Is
is
a
a what?
spoon.
Is a good girl. And then now,
Simone, hold on.
No,
How many things you have in there?
turn your back. Okay.
Lolo, which wholesaler got to?
What is a very popular cat food?
Tuna.
Can I come to your house and be your cat?
Cat show.
She don't have a pulse. It is. Can we pass?
I know I'm a cat.
this one?
I know I'm the cat.
Oh, okay.
All
right. Jamaican people say.
I'm a dog person. Okay.
Jamaican people say when you move around plenty, them call you this. Picnic this, you see, man?
Friskies.
Yes.
All right, good.
girl.
Okay, good.
Now
good.
the last one.
Thanks, Prince.
Can you tell me how to get to?
Sesame Street.
Okay, but it's not the street.
Sesame Seed.
Oh gosh, man! I'm not even gonna high five you because this is a
Thank you. Blonde with brains, boo. Blonde with brains.
Communication. I mean,
we're here. We're connected. We're just like, still here.
We should give me tahini, pure ground sesame seed. Oh,
why are we going to get
how
tahini?
would I get that?
If you said hummus though, because this is the main ingredient in
I
the hummus.
don't eat hummus.
You don't eat hummus?
Negative.
At all?
Negative.
Never. Really? You like missing Simo? Anyways.
Says the girl who feeds her cat tuna. We'll be right back after the break. She don't have a pulse. Where she get the tuna?
I do have a
Where you
cat
gonna give
in
the
my
cat
life.
tuna?
Noops.
You're a dogger?
I'm a
You have a
dogger.
dog?
Yeah, I have a dog named Skim.